Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 8. We have a full week under our belt. Again, thank you guys for joining me for COOKMAS, where I am giving you guys daily videos throughout the holiday season of December. For today's recipe, we're going to make something that I'm pretty sure most of you have had at least one point in your life, but we're going to turn it into a cake. We're going to go ahead and make a honey bun cake. So I'm pretty sure all of you have at least had a honey bun once or twice in your life, so I'm sure you know what that tastes like. But in this case, the honey bun cake is a super easy cinnamon swirl cake that is so moist and tasty. And of course, if you love the taste of cinnamon rolls, you're going to be crazy for this honey bun cake. It's got all the flavors that you could imagine in that sweet little treat. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is the honey bun cake that resembles the iconic honey bun snack. I was not able to cut this cake because it actually was made for a customer, and so I wanted to keep it intact. You guys were able to see how it looked when it did go into the oven with that delicious cinnamon swirl throughout the cake. And then we went ahead and made a homemade vanilla icing that is on top, so it surely does resemble that classic honey bun with that wonderful icing on top. So hopefully she enjoys the cake, and hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe as well. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below, guys. Let me know if you were a lover of the classic honey bun snack. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care, happy holidays, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.